Hello everyone, my name is Rishabh Mishra and today in this video I'm going to share you my A1 exam certificates with you, my German A1 exam certificates with you. But before that, I want to tell you one important thing that if you want some idea regarding German A1 exam, that how the exam is being conducted and what all sections are there and which type of questions are asked in this particular exam, then I've made a separate video for that. If you can find link somewhere here and you can click on that particular video and you can have a look like exactly how the exam is being conducted. So before telling you my scorecard, I'm going to give you some brief about the exam. So starting, actually there are 4 modules in this particular exam. So starting with listening, reading, writing, and speaking. So the listening, reading, writing is combined in a particular section of the exam. Okay, so this three combinedly is known as like writing exam, and the speaking exam is like expression exam that is conducted separately. Okay, so starting with listening, reading, writing, speaking. So the thing is, if you have to clear this particular exam, then on the whole, you have to score 60%. Reading, listening, writing, and speaking. So combinedly, there's no sectional cutoff. Combinedly, you have to score 60 marks out of 100 to clear this particular exam. So starting with listening exam, there's some audio, you have to listen to that particular audio and you have to answer the questions regarding that particular audio. Then next thing is that in a writing exam, you are given with one form and some data to fill into it. If you can fill the data correctly, then you'll get marks, otherwise not. And one letter that you'll be asked in a question that write a letter to someone regarding any kind of thing like invitation or response or job letter, anything they might ask you. Reading exam, you're given some paragraphs and you have to read, or some text is given, then you have to read the particular text and you have to like answer the question correctly. And the fourth part is the speaking part. In speaking, there are some set of questions, mainly 3 questions. In first 3 tiles, like 3 parts in the questions. In first part, you have to you have to introduce yourself. Okay, you have to introduce yourself, and in the second part, the thing is, second part, you're given some pictures, you have to identify the pictures and you have to ask the question to your fellow mates. Interviewer will like examiner will not ask you the question, you have to ask and answer the question among your friends. Okay, so here's my exam certificate. I'm going to share you this with you. So this is called Goethe Zertifikat A1. A1 is A1. Okay, so in this, I have scored 77 out of 100. My sectional marks are, in listening, I've scored 11.62 out of 25. In reading, I've scored 24.9 out of 25. It's just 25 only. It's 24.9 out of 25, the complete marks. And in writing, it's 19.09 out of 25. And in speaking, it's 21.58 out of 25. So my result is satisfactory, that is befriedigend. This means satisfactory here. So this is my A1 exam certificate and I've completed till B1, and in future videos I'll be sharing my A2 and B1 certificates with you. The objective of this video is to tell you that the preparing for this language and appearing for this exam and clearing this exam is not a difficult task. It's an easy thing. Why I'm saying this? But people say, it's a general perception out in the market that German language is a difficult language. Yeah, I agree to that. But knowing German language to that particular extent is difficult. But clearing these exams to achieve to that level is easy part. Like if you go and directly, if you think that you can speak like a native German, no. But if you are learning step by step, then it's easy task, like, which is already done for you. Like A1 exam is the beginner level exam, and anyone can clear this A1 exam provided he or she makes his effort in a correct direction. In the right direction, a step taken in right direction will lead to success. No exceptions in that. Okay. So if you are preparing for A1 German exam, go for it. Make your decision firm. And it's very easy to clear this particular exam. And I'm there to help you. By means of this video, I'm communicating this to you that if you feel anything, that if you feel any kind of difficulty in any part of learning German, that if you're stuck anywhere and you are not finding the correct way that how to get out of this part, then I'm there to help you. Comment down below and tell me that what problems are you facing in learning German, or anything which you feel like sharing with me. And I'm promising you that I'll answer to your question. I am there to help you. Okay. So this is the end of this video, and thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then click on like button and share among your friends whoever are learning German, and subscribe to my channel. So thank you, and have a nice day. Thank you.